Hi, I'm Nigel Dobney, Rail Signalling Control Panel Lead at LB Foster. Today, I'm in Nottingham at our engineering facility to talk about the RSM control panels that we're currently manufacturing for Network Rail. We'll also be looking at launching our new RSM spares catalogue, which is going to make life so much easier for asset engineers and local maintenance engineers to order spare parts for the rail signalling control panels that are currently in use around the UK. These two panels currently manufactured on our shop floor utilise our SM24 mosaic system. Each component fitted within this fascia is type approved and forms a suite of products that not only helps us manufacture brand new rail signalling control panels, but also to maintain signalling control panels that are already out in the field. This particular panel is being developed with Siemens as part of the Kingmore resignaling scheme and will be on its way to Carlisle Signal Box in July, ready for its commissioning in 2025. The benefits of procuring a rail signalling panel from LB Foster is that everything you see in front of me here is designed, manufactured at our base in Nottingham. That's right down to the engraving, the painted tracks, the push-pull buttons that fit in the circuit, the selector switches, and of course we can't forget our type-approved printed circuit boards which fit in the back of the tiles which allow the illuminations of the track circuits. The ease of the SM24 system is it's fully tiled. It's a fully mosaic system, meaning that it's easily maintainable not only here in the factory, but also when the panel is out on site. Each tile individually clips into the fascia, but is easily removable to allow you to swap out any deficient components and then fit them back in. Clear access to the rear of the rail signalling panels manufactured by LB Foster allow maintenance engineers plenty of room to get in to change the components over if they fail. Also, all of our type-approved components can now be found in our new RSM catalogue. The majority of the rail signalling panels leave the facility wired to plug couplers in the back of the panel. This allows the panels to be fully function tested prior to leaving our facility, meaning that the testers on site can bring the panels straight into service with minimum commissioning times. Ordering spare parts is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1, identify the part in your panel that's defective. Number 2, have a look in our brand new RSM catalogue, match the component, and get the part number. Number 3, email the part number, complete with the quantity required, to our Rail Spares email address. Our technical sales team will then do the rest. If on the odd occasion you can't match a part on your panel to the parts in our catalogue, photograph the part, again email them over to our specialist technical team and we'll help you find a solution for the part for your panel. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. The other benefits of using LB Foster is that we can also modify legacy systems that are already out on site. So older signal boxes aren't a problem. If you've got an issue with any discontinued parts or components that you can no longer get, talk to us and we can help you find a solution. As part of our new strategy for supporting asset engineers and maintenance engineers on site, we now offer a complimentary site survey to walk around your rail signalling panel with your maintenance staff or your asset engineers to have a comprehensive review of the parts that are either defective or need replacing. Our expert sales team will then work with you to develop a parts list that's unique and bespoke for your box. If this is of interest, drop us an email on the Rail Spares email address and we'll give you a call and we'll arrange a meeting on site. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. As always, we're only a phone call away for all your rail signalling needs.